Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm really happy to have you here today. Let's relax together and create something peaceful. The scene we're painting today is a calm, sunlit forest moment, where warm golden leaves dance in the light and a quiet sense of life flows through nature. It's a serene view full of softness, depth, and gentle energy that instantly feels soothing. I start by painting on a black canvas. With a large flat brush, I mix white, blue, and a touch of black, and begin covering the lower part of the canvas. By adding a little red and white, I bring warmth and brightness into the color, then softly blend it with other colors to create a smooth, misty transition. As I move upward, I gradually make the color lighter to give the background more depth and atmosphere. Next, I mix an earthy, muted green and use it to shape the background foliage. I highlight these areas with touches of yellow, green, and hints of orange to suggest sunlight filtering through the leaves. The distant trees are painted lighter and softer, helping them fade gently into the background. To create a dreamy, blurry effect, I add small dots of white light, giving the background a glowing, atmospheric feel. Now I move on to the large tree trunk. Using a dark brown tone, I sketch the main shape of the trunk. With the right brush and a mix of yellow and a little white, I paint the leaves that catch the sunlight and glow beautifully. The shaded leaves are darker and placed in front of the brighter ones to create contrast and depth. With a thin liner brush and a diluted dark color, I paint delicate, graceful branches. Then, by adding a bit of white to the tree trunk color, I create highlights to show texture and volume. I've finished the leaves on the trunk and branches. And finally, I paint a small, lovely squirrel climbing up the tree, bringing life and charm to the scene. I hope you enjoyed this unique and uplifting landscape. If you did, please don't forget to like the video and support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next painting.